Hello and welcome back down to Workbench. Today we're taking a quick look at this tool from Metabo HPT. And by tool, you're probably thinking, what in the world is this? You barely even see anything here. Well, in this package here is a pneumatic tool dust cover. So this was purchased to help to replace a broken dust cover on one of my pneumatic nailers. Since I store a lot of my nailers in a dusty environment whenever I'm using my table saw or anything else, risk of sawdust, and I want to keep my pneumatic tools clean. So I picked this up to replace the one that came from the factory with this Porter cable nailer, which was going to be a pain to be able to order from Stanley Black & Decker. And so this one here, you can see where there used to be one here, and there's the remaining tail piece here of it. The price of these through their parts department here I thought was a little outrageous, and so I picked this up. So there's a couple ways that you can install this. Number one, I should probably start by removing the old one first, which I can just rip off like that. And so for this one here, depending upon what fittings you've got, you may be able to just slide it over just like that. Or you may have to actually remove the fitting. And then this works on the standard industrial plug. I can cover it up just like that. And now I won't get dust into my pneumatic fitting. Very simple, very cheap. And this stays tethered here, so whenever I use it, just pop it off, and we're good. For a couple bucks, will save me a lot of headache down the road of getting dust into the cylinder and to help to make my pneumatic tools last a lot longer. Because I think pneumatic tools are great. I know battery stuff is in vogue, but I've got a lot of pneumatic tools, and these little things like this make a big difference for making your tools last. Questions or comments, put it down below in the comment section. If you like this kind of content, give it a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a great day. Bye.